Why are we talking about this? Why do I care so much about this? Because it's not just about it being the right thing to do, but gender diverse organizations perform better than other kind of organizations on almost every metric. Companies with diverse gender representation at the top levels are 21% more likely to experience above average profitability. When we are talking about problem solving, innovation, gender diverse teams are better able to solve those complex problems. And not only that, companies with a strong commitment to diversity are better liked by their customers, right? And gender diverse teams, gender diverse companies are better able to retain employees, they have happier employees, and so they have less turnover and attrition. And thinking globally, zooming out from that picture, if we are able to close the gender gap by 25% in terms of the women labor force, workforce participation, by 2025, that could add $5.8 trillion to the global economy. Yes, I said trillion. But apart from all of that, folks, like we just started, it's not just about these metrics and these numbers and these data points, it's also the right thing to do.